In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset to default layout in CapCut. If your CapCut workspace feels cluttered or panels aren't where you want them, don't worry. I'll show you how to customize the layout in a safe way, and most importantly, how to quickly restore everything back to the original default layout when you need a clean slate. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the editor loads, you'll see the typical workspace: a preview window where you watch your edits, a timeline where your clips and tracks live, and panels for media, effects, and tools. This workspace is flexible, which is great when you want to prioritize certain tasks, like focusing on the timeline during detailed cuts or giving more space to the preview for color and motion work. Now, let's make some layout changes so you understand how it works. Click and drag the top bar or the edges of any panel to move and resize it. You can pull a divider to make the timeline taller, shift the media panel to give it more room, or reposition the preview window so it's front and center. As you drag, panels will snap into place to help you dock them neatly. Remember, you're only rearranging how things are displayed. Your project files and edits are not affected. If a panel seems to disappear, it's usually just minimized or tucked behind another area. So try expanding the edges or looking for it in the interface again. If your layout gets too messy, or you simply want the original setup back, resetting is fast. Look for the three-dot menu in the editor interface, typically near the top area of the workspace. Click that menu, then choose Restore. CapCut will revert the positions and sizes of panels to the default arrangement. Your media, timeline edits, and project settings remain intact. Only the layout changes back to the standard view. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. It's a good habit to save your project before making big interface changes, just to keep everything tidy and consistent. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, feel free to rearrange panels by dragging and resizing them to match your task, and when you want a fresh start, use the three-dot menu and click Restore to reset to the default layout. Knowing you can always reset gives you the freedom to experiment without worrying about losing your bearings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient CapCut workspace.